Year 1973. A hardship prevails in Turkey dealing with imports and exports, and an uncertainty exists in country, together with the efforts of grooving and development. In such an environment, Hasan Basri Bozkurt, who has completed his mechanical engineering education with the scholarship from the State Highways Organization, started to be employed in the 4th District Directorate of this organization. His duty, being the chief of shop, whatever the conditions might be, was to enable the operation of all engineering vehicles. After a short while, he went into action to manufacture locally those spare parts needed as a result of embargoes laid after the Cyprus operation has started. And he builds these parts in the shops of this organization. The first parts that were manufactured were pump and body torque converter parts. When all calendars showed the date 1st of May 1978, was now a harbinger signifying that the appropriate time had come for making the greatest dream of Hasan Basri Bozkurt. Hidromek Company, which was established by Hasan Basri Bozkurt after leaving from State Highways within a small-sized shop, started to build backhoe loader attachments on the tractors. In pursuit of these activities, carried out in such a small-sized shop, this sector has been preparing itself to witness the birth of a major breakthrough when the calendars show the end of years 1980. By the involvement of technical staff employed by Hidromek, the activities immediately gained acceleration and a dynamic production process started. First of all, designs were created. First sketches have already been developed. Following an aggressive work, emotion has arrived at climax when the first designs were put forth. The steps oriented towards the accomplishment of infrastructure works and erection of a production facility gained a speed. In the year 1986, on a spot located in the road to Istanbul, the first production facility was set up. After easily coming over the bureaucratic process, the production line started to operate. Turkish investor has believed this goal, and Turkish engineer has accomplished the design phase, and the products have been produced by Turkish worker. The first machine, produced in the year 1989 under the name of HMK 80, was, and it resounded a lot. After establishing the distribution network, Hidromek was spread out in the countrywide. By the beginning of the 1990s, the second backhoe loader model, HMK 100, arose out of serial production line. The production of HMK 100S was the first backhoe loader having a 4-wheel steering control. The global scale helped Hidromek to occupy a place in the machine industry and also further raised its reputation. Hidromek increased its production capacity after setting up its second production plant within the boundaries of Ankara-Sincan Industrial Zone. Hidromek, by its first export made to Tunis in 1999, this was the first step to turn into a world brand. At the beginning of years 2000, it produced its first excavator under the brand HMK 220 LC. This was the first serial excavator production of Turkey. It was a palletized type machine, having an operating load of 22 tons. Later on, it speedily started to increase the number of countries to where it has exported its products. Hidromek, which exports its products to the countries of Africa, Europe, Australia, Asia and South America, opened its office in Spain in the year 2007 and turned into a company whose construction machines operate in 50 countries as of the end of year 2010. With its workforce numbering over 1,000 and its total production plants numbering 4 in Izmir and Ankara, and its annual production capacity of 10,000 pieces, a leader firm in its sector, Hidromek.